Today we're making these fudgy lemon brownies that have the most delicious, refreshing flavor. The absolute best part is that this is a super easy dessert to make because you just mix everything together and you don't even need a mixer. To start off, let's grab a large bowl and toss in half a cup or 113 grams of unsalted butter and half a cup or 80 grams of white chocolate. Pop it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, giving it a good stir each time until the mixture is completely melted. Now, we're going to add half a cup or 100 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, and the zest of 1 lemon. Just remember to zest only the colorful outer part of the skin. Try your best not to hit that white pith underneath so we don't get any bitter taste in the brownie. Mix this in really well until the sugar is fully incorporated. Next up, let's add 3 large room temperature eggs. To make it a lot easier to incorporate, just add them one at a time, stirring gently after each one. You don't need to whip the eggs or anything like that. We're really just mixing everything together with a whisk until it's combined. After that, let's sift 3/4 of a cup or 90 grams of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt right over the mixture. Mix everything gently just until you don't see any more dry flour. Make sure not to overmix it. This recipe doesn't use baking powder because we want a fudgy, dense texture. If you prefer a slightly fluffier texture that feels a bit more like a cake, you can add half a teaspoon of baking powder along with the flour. For our final touch, we're going to pour in 1/4 cup or 60 grams of pure lemon juice, without any added water or sugar, and preferably freshly squeezed because it gives such a fresh flavor. And then transfer the batter into a prepared 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Let's pop the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. When you insert a toothpick into the center, it should come out clean. But if you gently press the middle of the brownie, it's still going to feel a little soft and creamy. We're going to add 1/3 of a cup or 53 grams of white chocolate in a bowl and heat it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until it's completely melted. Then let's add 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of pure lemon juice and mix it all together. Lift the brownies straight out of the pan using the edges of the parchment paper and cut them into squares whatever size you like. Look at these brownies, they really have that perfect fudge texture. To make them look extra pretty, just grab that white chocolate and lemon ganache, spoon it into a small piping bag with the tip snipped off, and drizzle a zigzag pattern right over the top of each square. These are best enjoyed at room temperature. You can store them in the fridge for up to 3 days, but I highly recommend letting them sit out for a bit before eating so they soften back up. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy dessert recipes. See you in the next one.